Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the payment method declined issue when you're trying to buy something from the App Store or add a new card to your Apple ID. This is a really common problem, and most of the time it comes down to a simple fix. First, the most important thing to check is your payment information. Even one small mistake, like the wrong zip code, an expired card, or an old address, can make your card get declined. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, and go to Payment and Shipping. Tap the card you're using and look closely at the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and your billing address. Make sure everything matches exactly the information on your bank account. If something doesn't match, update it and then tap Done. If the payment info is correct and it's still getting declined, try using a different payment method. You can add another debit or credit card, or depending on your region, you may also be able to use PayPal, Apple Cash, your Apple account balance, or an Apple gift card. Sometimes your bank simply blocks the transaction, and switching to another method is the fastest solution. Another quick fix is to sign out and sign back in to the App Store. Open the App Store, tap your profile picture in the top right, scroll all the way down and tap Sign Out. Then sign back in with your Apple ID. This refreshes your payment connection and often clears the error immediately. If none of these worked, there are two more things to keep in mind. Your bank may be blocking the charge for security reasons, so you may need to contact your bank or check your card's online banking app for alerts. Also, make sure you don't have any unpaid subscriptions. If a subscription renewal fails, Apple may block new App Store purchases until payment is resolved. And that's how you fix the payment method declined issue on the App Store. Most of the time, it's just expired card info, a billing mismatch, or a quick sign-out refresh. If this helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more iPhone and app tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like a video on resolving subscription errors next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.